Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I will introduce you a website where you can create video for free using AI, where you can create image for free using AI. Are you ready? So let's get started. The website, as you can see here, it's called Krea.ai. Okay, just go to this website and you will come to this page, and on the top here we have different options. As you can see, if I go to home, so here we have image, video, real time, enhancer, edit, video style, and many things. Okay, so I will show you now how to create a video using this website. It is very easy and simple. Just type the video which you want. Okay, let me click here and type create a video, uh, a video about Switzerland to show the culture and beauty of this country. Okay, and enter it. As you can see here, it's finalizing, sending the request, initializing GPU server, initializing models. Okay, you have just to wait. So as you can see, you have to wait. It's generating the video about your request. Okay, if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much in advance. As you can see, it's creating the video. The video is almost finished. As you can see, it has the best quality to show Switzerland in the winter. As you can see, this is the chart, this is the map of Switzerland, and it's looking the mountains. As you can see, yeah, it looks amazing. You can create your own videos. You can put your description about the video down here and click on generate. Now if you want to download it, as you can see here you have three dots and you can click on download. As you can see, it's downloading down here. Let's go to the download folder and play the video. As you can see, wow, it is amazing. That's it guys, hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section, and see you in the next video.